Hello all of you, this is Vedic from Artistic Atmosphere. In this video, I will show you how to make a very easy Madhubani painting. So let's start. For making this, we may need drawing book or drawing paper, sketch pen, ruler and a black marker. We have to draw this drawing for making this picture painting. So I had made this, you also can. So with the black pen I am going to outline the outer boundaries. I had marked the outlines. Now I am going to outline the curls in the boundary. Outlining of the boundary is now done. Now you have to outline the whole picture like this only. After outlining, I am going to draw vertical or horizontal lines between the curls in the boundary so it looks very good after this. I had made all the lines. Like this only I am going to make lines in the boundaries of circles also. All the outlining is done. For coloring this drawing, you may need red, blue and green sketch pens. With red sketch pen, I am going to color the lotus. I had colored all the lotuses. Now with light green sketch pen I am going to color the leaves. All the leaves are now colored. Brown color sketch pen I had colored all the stems, and with yellow I am going to color the center of the circles. With moderate and dark green sketch pen, I am going to color the circles randomly. Now we have to color the boundary. I am using blue and orange color sketch pens for this. With blue color sketch pen I am coloring the corner one curl, then next orange, then next blue and continue this till the end. Now my Madhubani painting is ready. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, click on the like button and share my videos, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.